Experience driving perfection in the 2020 Toyota Corolla Hatchback. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 150 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.